everyone, welcome back to Limoneira. My name is Megan Roosevelt. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand and the Peelin Good Tour. It is November already, I cannot believe it, and we are also 2 months into the Peelin Good Tour. Our tour influencers have been sharing so many amazing ideas featuring Limoneira Citrus, and I can't wait to share some of those ideas with you right now. If you're wondering what is the Peelin Good Tour, well, it's a really fun tour that we have kicked off where different influencers all over the United States and Canada are sharing such delicious ways to enjoy Limoneira Citrus. If you love finding new delicious recipe ideas and all things citrus, make sure you're following Limoneira on Instagram so you can stay up to date with the latest of the Peelin Good Tour, and you can also learn more on our tour website at peelingoodtour.com. And per usual, I have some really great recipe ideas to share with you this month right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel featuring Limoneira Citrus. With Thanksgiving coming up and the holidays, celebrating may look a little bit different this year, but we are still making all of our favorite delicious foods for the holiday season, and these recipes are just a great way to enjoy a delicious meal and to reflect on all that we are thankful for. As always, you can view or print the recipes from our videos by checking out the links below in the video description box. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira citrus next time you head to the grocery store, or you can order citrus to be delivered right to your front door at freshfocusdelivery.com. Thank you so much for watching. Happy November. Don't forget to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date with all things citrus, and make sure you're subscribed to the Limoneira YouTube channel so you never miss one of our videos. Happy November, and I cannot wait to see you again in the next few weeks as I share delicious recipes to celebrate the holiday seasons. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!